If x squared minus 5x plus 6 is a factor of this polynomial, p of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus ax cubed minus x squared plus bx minus 72, find the values of a and b. So the first thing that is given is this is a factor of this polynomial. So let's factorize that. So x squared minus 5x plus 6. If you factorize that, what you can say, this is x minus 3 times x minus 2. So now I can say x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial and x minus 2 is a factor. So let's take one at a time. So what are we saying? X minus 3 is a factor of p of x, which implies p of 3 is going to be 0. Same way we can say x minus 2 is a factor of p of x, which implies p of 2 is going to be 0. So basically what you have to do is you have to find p of 2 and set it that equal to 0, and p of 3 set that equal to 0. So you are going to get simultaneous equation, solve it, and that's all. So you can pause this video if you can do the rest. Okay, so let's find p of 3 first. Okay, so p of 3 would be 3 raised to 4, which is 81, plus 3 cubed is 27, so that's 27a, minus 9, plus 3a, 3b, minus 72 is equal to 0. Same way we can put p of 2 is also 0. So if you put 2 in this equation, so what are we getting? 2 raised to 4 is 16, plus 2 cubed is 8, so 8a, minus 4, plus 2b, minus 72 is equal to 0. So from this I can say, if you simplify this, I'll pause the video and try to do, I want you to do the rest yourself. So simplifying this, you can see 27a plus 3b, so 81 minus 9 is 72, take away 72 is 0, and this is 8a plus 2b, and if you simplify this, so this is going to be how much? 12. So plus 12 take away 72 is minus 60, and now you have to just solve this. Okay, so if you solve for a and b using a calculator, you can go to simultaneous. Okay, so let us use a calculator. So go to equation. Where's the equation? Yeah, here it is. Go to simultaneous to unknown. So I'll put 27, 3, and 0. And for second it is a, 2, and 60. And solve for, so a is minus 6 and b is 54. So a is minus 6 and b is 64. Am I right? 54, sorry, it's good to check. So now how will you check your answer? So what are we saying? If a is minus 6 and b is 54, the roots would be 3 and 2. If x minus 3 is a factor, the root would be 3 and 2. So let's check that. So go to equation, go to polynomial third degree. So let's put 1 under a, b is, your b is this a value, which is minus 6, and your c is this minus 1. So it's a fourth degree. Okay, so I can't do a fourth degree polynomial. So if you have a calculator, which has a which solves fourth degree polynomial. It goes only up to the third degree, so I can't use my calculator. So let's understand this in a different way. Okay, so let's go to graph. Okay, I like always to check my answer. So go to graph and let's type in this equation. So x raised to 4, a is minus 6, so minus 6 x cube. Oops, I have to type in something here. I have to delete this. Go up, x raised to 4 minus 6 x cube minus x squared. This is called a quartic equation, plus 54x minus 72. Okay, so let me zoom out and make it auto. Okay, so let's scroll up. So gsolve, and let's find the root. One is -3, the other is 2. You got 3 here, and 3 and 2. 2 and 3, that's what we wanted. So the roots are 2 and 3. So when we say x minus 3 and x minus 2 are the factors, so if you want to draw the sketch of this graph, so you got -3, 2, 3, and 4. So just to explain graphically, if you graph this, okay, so let me draw if you draw a graph of this, so this is, how does it go? So this is going down, up, so the graph is going like this. Okay, so this is -2, so this is -3, this is 2, this is 3, and this goes up, and this is, if you draw the line, this is a very messy graph. So the factors are, so the roots are 2 and 3, -3 and 4. So if the question is to factorize this, the factors would be x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4. Okay, so because it's a quartic or a biquadratic equation, so it has got 4 roots.